Hi, today in front of me Infinix Hot 20i and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the theme and lock screen section. Then tap to my wallpaper section, and here we can select new wallpaper from our default wallpapers on our device, live wallpapers or gallery. So for example, we can use L Gallery or the photos, Google Photos. Unfortunately, I have no any photos. For example, let's just take a picture right now. Now let's go back. We can see now what is photos, so we can use it. Let's use first the one from these default photos. For example, this one. Tap to apply and select lock screen. We change it successfully. Let's check it, and we can see that we have the new wallpaper now on our lock screen. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. So just first we should hold for a while our screen with the finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpapers, and by the same way here you can select the new wallpaper or just tap to more and launch the same wallpaper settings. Now let's use the gallery photo. Click to L Gallery just once or always, and we can select this wallpaper if you want, or if you just get the downloaded from the internet photos, you can also use them. Okay. So now tap to more, tap set wallpaper, apply, and as a lock screen wallpaper. After that, just wait a second, setting succeed, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.